Hello! Tita unboxes again. Charot. Ito lang po. So, this is my Ipsy subscription for the month of January. So, this is what I have. I'll show this later kasi parang malaki siyang buksan. Tingnan natin kung anong meron ako. First, meron akong mask from Verb. It's for your hair. It's for fine to medium hair. Ay, pwede na. So, pang ayos ni tita sa kanyang buhok na dry. Charit. Next one is this Seraphine primer. So, this is good. So, you use your primer before your foundation. Okay, after your skincare. I don't think I have tried primer from this brand. So, let's see. I'll try. I'll let you know. Okay. And next one is Skin & Co. Is this body oil. I'm not sure if I used this before. So, it's good to use body oil after your shower. Ay, nakaseal siya. Huwag ko munang buksan. Meron pa akong ginagamit. It's good to use this after shower so you can preserve yung moisture ng inyong skin. Winter dito sa amin, malamig. So, it's good to use this one para maging smooth ang inyong skin. Sorry, blinding ang aking lighting ngayon kasi gabi na. I just came from work. So, matutulog in a bit. Laban na naman bukas. Charos, harabas ang tita nyo. And, next one is, ano na naman to? This is, I guess this is the brand name. Noto. Malapit na siyang maging yes, charot. Maging ganun. So, it's a serum. Deep serum naman siya. So, pwede siya ng before your moisturizer. I still have some moisturizer. Maybe at some point, I will do a skincare video. Hindi naman sobrang bonggang skin ng lola niyo, pero so far, hindi na ako masyadong nagbe-break out. Kagaya noon. Sa bagay, matanda na ako. So, I need to address yung mga fine lines, yung mga wrinklets, kailangan nang magpa-botox, kimirot. Next one is, it's another serum. This is by, MZ Skin. Hyaluronic acid naman siya. It's a hydrating serum. So, pwede siyang gamitin before your moisturizer. So, curious. I'm not sure if I have tried this brand before. Sabi naman niya, it's by Dr. Mariam something Masamani. So, I don't know. Is she a dermatologist? O, yan lang pala. And let's open yung aking eye palette. Oh, by the way, yung box is 32 per month. And I'm not sure yung mga individual prices ng mga una kong nabuksan. But this palette alone is $52. So, $32. Ito is $52. So, parang giveaway na yung mga ibang boxes. So, that's why I like to try yung mga subscription kasi I get some items I can try. And then if you're like I said, if you buy this on its own, medyo mahal siya. Mahal ang mga mock-up, charot. Tapos, what I like, sorry, Diyos ko nakita niyo yung aking magulong lamesa. What I like with this is madami siyang neutral. So, may mga fun colors din. I've tried this brand before. So, okay naman siya. Pigmented. Mag-swatch tayo ng kahit isa, dalawa. And ang Pantone color of the year is parang mga brown. So, babalik na naman ang mga to. So, ayun oh. Pigmented naman siya. Try natin yung mga, oh my gosh. Ay. Blue na blue. Kung gusto mong maging bluer than blue, nasabi ni Kakay. Very big. Okay naman. Talagang ano siya. Kahit konti lang oh, yung natira. So, this should be good. Oh, this is Tarte, by the way. So, I said I have some of their products before. Na-try ko na siya. Hindi mura ang kanilang mga items. So, it's worth it. So, happy ako. So, kung anong meron ako, kasi mixture siya ng makeup and skincare. And I love makeup and skincare. Try natin itong isa pang glitter. Glittery, shimmery, shining bright. Charot. Maganda oh. Ay, bongga siya. So, kung ikaw ay meron kayong date, ayan o, yung mga glitters, gamitin mo sa mga, ano, if you're having cocktails with your friends, yung mga weekend, kung gusto mong lumabas. Tapos yung mga neutrals gamitin pag nasa work, mga ganun. So yun. Salamat for watching. This is your tita again. Salamat sa mga aking mga bagong friends, mga followers. Please share and subscribe, follow. And I appreciate you watching my video. Salamat ng madami. Hanggang sa susunod. Have a nice day everyone. Bye-bye.